Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. Today is Tuesday. I think it's Tuesday, isn't it? September 13th. Yeah, it's CPI day. Okay, and this is Dale Woodson, editor of Woodson Wave Report and Day Trader S&P 500. Exciting things going on. Let's just pick up where we left off. I believe it was yesterday. There's the Qs. That's a daily bar. Let me scrunch that down a little bit. You can see the all-time high back there in November. And we had 5 waves down for A. We had 3 waves up for B. You can see C's beginning in the blue with a 1 down, a 2 up, a 3 down, a 4 up, and a 5 in blue. And as we talked about before, this retracement did not quite make a 50%, where the S&P cash or the futures ES made a 618, almost on the button. Okay, so this would be wave 1 down of C. This is 2 up of C, and we just began wave 3. We'll get confirmation with a move below this low back here on September 2nd in the Qs. Okay, again, like I said yesterday, the Qs were lagging the ES. The Qs lead S&P all the time, up and down. The NASDAQ leads the S&P since the S&P was retracing 0.618 and the Qs and the NASDAQ only 0.5. That tells you it was lagging, and it's a counter trend bounce up, not an impulsive wave up, and the Qs are leading on the way down. Okay, US10Yr, exciting things happening. We're getting close to that high, which was registered back in June of 3.497%. As soon as that crosses over, I'm sure it'll dip back below, but that'll give us confirmation that that high was actually wave 3, and wave 5 is going up to a higher high. We'll calculate that and put that out to our monthly subscribers as soon as we get confirmation on that. Interest rates are going higher, and again, let me get to that weekly bar on that. Okay, we'll make room over here, and that weekly bar, you can see we ended that 39-year bear market. So we're only 2 years into this multi-decade long advance in interest rates, and we're in the first 5 waves up. That should be complete soon, and there's our higher targets for wave 5 once we get confirmation above the 3.497%. Let's look at, we might as well look at the S&P. Let's see what we have here. I want to look at from the wave B high on August 16th. We have wave 1 down, 2 up. You can see the S&P cash hit right above the 50%. It didn't have a chance to go where the futures did because it wasn't open. And third wave gap down. Okay, you can see wave 3 will gain equality with wave 1 down here at 3681. That's the minimum target. We got our higher targets again out for our monthly subscribers. There is the 10-minute on that. I got that a little bit scrunched up. Let me see if I can move that up. There we go. There's the larger wave B, the smaller wave C on the way up, and here are our targets down. Wave 1 down, 2 up, and here goes 3, and there is that gap. Won't see that gap in the futures because they're open 23 hours a day. You can see right there, futures hit on the 618 this morning or overnight, above it actually at 41.75, and then proceeded to sell off. What do some of our customers say? Show us a wave count, we'll tell you the news. Well, we're looking for a turn on or near September 14th. We can get into that in the report. Looks like a slippage of -1 day. It occurred today, so we were looking for an event that would happen in correlation with the wave count, which showed a wave 2 up, giving way to a wave 3 down, and in correlation with our Fibonacci time spiral, which called for a turn on 9/14, and we got it 9/13. Okay, we'll get confirmation that this is actually wave 3 down when we break below this September 6th low of 38.83 in the futures. And we're into the DEES contract right now, okay? The September contract, I believe, expires in a couple days. Okay, that's the daily look. Let's look at the hourly. You can see here, let me get that all in the picture if I can. There we go. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down for a larger wave 1 in parentheses on the 6. There's the wave 2 up again. It went above the 618 and proceeded to sell off, as it should, because third waves are sharp and swift. And if you guys will look at this first wave down here from the 816 high to the September 6th low is at a 45-degree angle. If this is a C, it'll have a similar angle, but if it's a 3, which is more than likely, it'll be a sharp angle, almost vertical. So this should be a sharp, swift sell-off. So far, so good, okay? Let's look at this on a 10-minute, same thing here. You can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That 3 took on a 1.414 multiple, and there is 5. And let me see if I get that. There's that target there for 3 to be equal to 1 is the minimum target of 37.31. So we still have another almost 300 points to go. Obviously, it won't all happen in one day. It could, but that's our first near-term target. So we hate to say I told you so, so we won't. But we were looking for this turn. It happened, and this sure looks like the beginning of Wave 3 down. Again, confirmation comes with a move below the Wave 1 low at 38.8350 in the futures. We'll leave you guys with this picture here. This is live. It's a little after 10:30 a.m. Central. We'll see how this plays out the rest of the day. And until next time, take care, everyone.